Backing for cabinets or fixtures is a must-have when you want stuff to stay put and not fall off your walls, especially if it's heavy or gonna hold a lot of weight. So here's the deal. You gotta add backing after the rough framing but before the drywall goes up. This way, you get solid wood behind where your cabinets or fixtures will go, making sure they have something strong to grab onto. Always check your cabinet or fixture plans first to know exactly where the mounting points should be, because if you guess wrong, you'll have to redo stuff later, and nobody wants that. Use solid blocks of wood or thick plywood for backing, and make sure they're at the right height so when you hang your cabinets, they line up perfectly and don't sag. It's way easier to install this backing right at the framing stage than trying to fix it once everything's finished. Don't forget that backing is super important for heavy items like wall cabinets, towel bars, or shelves that will hold a bunch of stuff. If you skip the backing, you risk your fixtures pulling out from the wall, which is a pain and unsafe. So always plan ahead and put in that backing to save yourself headaches down the line. One of the biggest mistakes people make when adding backing for cabinets or fixtures is waiting too long, like after drywall is already up, which makes it way harder to install and less secure. Fix it by marking your cabinet locations during framing and installing backing then. Another common issue is using weak or thin materials for backing. Plywood or solid wood blocks are the way to go, not random scraps. Lastly, people often ignore checking their cabinet or fixture plans for mounting points, so the backing ends up in the wrong place. Double-check those plans before cutting or nailing anything to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who know their way around backing and cabinet installation. For contractors, it's a great way to get real jobs from people who need skilled help with their home projects.